For our technique variations, we're going to cover 2 points. First, we'll talk about the initial strikes, and secondly, we'll cover the finishing moves. For our initial strikes, we'll get to the first strike here. We move in, we do our block and our shuto, okay? What I may decide is that I don't want to even deal with the head at all. So from here, I could throw a couple of strikes quickly here and be able to move out in this direction and have my escape quickly. So if we put that together, it's just coming here and a quick escape, okay? Next alternative, coming in, I get to this position, but I'm having trouble pulling the head down, okay? So what I can do instead is I bring my arm through, I'm gonna snake around this direction. Notice how the forearm kind of comes in and lifts that chin up, and then I hook and drive a knee into the body, and then I could just strike and move back out this direction again, okay? So if we put that together, here I try and pull, boom, and strike, okay? Our final one, I get to this position and say I'm going for the head, I get it down a little bit, but I'm not quite able to get to that arm control position. What I can do from here then is just follow through, strike to the back of the neck, and I can escape at this angle here, okay? So again, on this one, coming here, boom, I pull, it's not quite working, I move to this angle and escape. For our finishing moves, let's get to that point. I come here, I'm underneath, I'm using this forearm to control the neck, right? I'm gonna drive the knee up into the face. Now from here, I'm gonna drive straight down with my forearm. And the idea is to smash the face into the ground. But you notice how he's already starting to roll? This is okay. What I'm gonna do here is take my left hand and just pin his face down. That's gonna prevent him from being able to roll any farther, okay? And then I can just do a finishing strike into the neck from there. So as we do this, a little more real-time speed, we're coming here, underneath, knee, drop, pin, and strike. Okay? Now, another option, if you're having trouble with that controlling position, okay, is coming off of this knee, I'm gonna go right into a kick to the inside of the leg. And you'll notice that kind of buckles him and the body already starts to rotate. So now I'm gonna step back with this leg, and then I'll just pin the head as he's going down to make sure that he can't roll all the way through and use his weapons, and then strike to the neck from there. So, real-time speed on that one as well. Here.